Maybe.
Clips. Yes.
So there's two lines there, you reckon?
Oh, it just wasn't obvious from here whether I go left or straight. Right? I said we just go in. It'll be fun. Yeah, because it looks like a trail goes to the left. Oh, Jesus. Oh, hello. Oh. Don't know about that. I'm just going to drag my brakes everywhere. Oh. I'm not saying I'm gripping too tight, but my grip is turning.
Cut out there is the track, or I'm just seeing things. Maybe that's why the rocks are there.
Yeah. Ooh. Hoo hoo hoo. Oh, there's so much opportunity for death. Off camber, yes. Oh. I think that was the trail. Oh, that's wild. Woo!
Surely that gap isn't that long.
That's
sick.
So much opportunity for death.
Oh, dude, it's huge. Yeah, I don't have that in me, I don't think.
That could be a full face body armour gap.
I wonder if, I think someone put this here on purpose, hey.
You reckon?
I don't know. That is a huge jump. It's not even like, feels like it's into death, like it's not even a good run out.
Nah.
Most people are landing on that though, right?
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. I don't know what savage is going the whole hog. Yeah, not bad, man. How you?
Oh no! Don't want to ruin the bro's lip. Sweet. So that trail didn't go anywhere, by the way. It might be a climbing trail. I'm just trying to get down alive. Tyson steezing. Tuck. Ah. Thanks for the warning. That was wild. Oh, tight corners on these needles don't feel good. You.
Midway in hardline.
Yep.
Like, you'd be like, yeah, wrong, sir.
Yeah.
But the savage that built this, like, imagine the compression, right? Comes through here, you hit the middle of that hole, all your suspension's compressed. The minute you hit that lip, it's ejecto seat.
Yeah. Like, as a 100-kilo guy on a fucking 30-kilo bike, my prediction is the bike is still in that ditch. And maybe I am rolling down there.
Oh, that just makes no sense to me. Yeah, once there's a few kids piled up down the bottom, I don't think I'll be too happy. That's fucked.
But I'll go where the group goes.
I'm in my lowest.
Granny gear? Hell yeah. Seat up too. Nice. Oh yeah! Get in! Woo! That is toit. Yes, Tyson's loving life. Get up. Woo! That is hectic. Little jumps. Don't want to ruin a bro's lip. Shoots off. Yeah, lad. Woo. Woo. Whoa, watch out for that tree. Oh. Oh. Up down here. That corner's wild. Well, here he is. Just pedal up, G. Oh, okay. Oh. Bit of off camber to death. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, he did. Yeah. Just realised I'm in granny gear. Oh, that's wild. As you're already offline. Oh. Yes. Woo!
Pretty sick.
Did you come out where I came out?
Okay.
Yeah, I thought I missed a turn. Yeah, that's wild.
It's like, I don't know, it's kind of hard. You really got to like steer the off camber.
Yeah. Yeah, I had a slow motion, I'll call it a crash, but in the rocky section,
Yeah.
I pulled up for it, picked a line, and then went off the side.
Oh no.
Before I even
Right-hand
got
side.
to the line, yeah. Before I even got to the line, I fucking... That shit's wild. All the best.
You're a little bit slow.
Yeah. Because I've been draining my battery trying to keep up with you jokers. I suppose that's a good part of having a small battery is I have to eco everywhere. It's no choice.
And then I'm going to lose the front on an off camber or
You
something.
just need it being one.
Yeah.
You're fucked.
I definitely felt then I was like in control, not in control. I
Yeah.
was like,
Because then there's 2 trails in here, he reckons, that we haven't done yet.
yeah.
Oh, that's the same tree as last time. Oh. Come on. Right in.
Yeah, no, that bottom left-hander. I thought I could see the exit and it was not the exit.
Yeah, that's right. It was
Yeah.
sick. And I just followed you in blindly like an idiot.
Alright. Ready?
Ready.
GoPro on.
Check. Granny gear still, also check. Holy shit. Woo! Oh. Do you think that was the left trail back there? It fits his description though. Shall we?
Yeah, I'll just check this out.
I'll just check this out. Oh, yeah. Assume it goes this way. Woo! That's not the play, but all right. Woo! Little sick gap. Missed the corner again.